Hey guys, welcome back to another video from the Maestro Speaks. I hope everybody's doing fantastic out there. Now this video is all about my technical analysis concerning the USD Mexican peso currency pair. Now this is the monthly chart I'm looking at. I like to view, of course, the market from the higher time frames because, as you all know, the higher time frames rule. And you could catch some very good setups on the higher time frame. Now, I would say this to you all, right? And I've been saying this in videos past. All the market is doing, no matter what time frame you're on, all the market is doing is going from a support level to a resistance level, and from a resistance level back to a support level. Of course, you all know resistance is the ceiling and support is the floor, alright? And the market moves within levels. And that's all the market is doing. Now, that being said, this particular market here, this USD Mexican peso currency pair, is currently at a resistance area. We're talking historical resistance. Multiple touches validates my claim. So you got one touch, two touch, and we're back to a potential third touch. Now, what do you think? Now, first of all, the market did come down heavy. As you can see that the sellers actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually I got to zoom in so y'all can see what I'm talking about. More clearer, You see this right here? This is where the market came down to, But of course the bias was like, nope, you can push the market back up. However, this particular area is historically a resistance area. We're talking about this area. You see all these bunch of wicks, wicking out, a bunch of wicks happening. This is historically a resistance zone. So of course, buyers got scared and took their monies and ran, and then the sellers came in and pushed the market down. But as we all know, sometimes, there will be a struggle, or there might be a struggle between buyers and sellers. But be that as it may, look what's happening here. We're almost at the end of January, and this is almost looking like an indecision candle. But it is more so a, if this was like a pin bar, it would be in reverse. It's like a hammer pattern right here. So you have a strong bullish push to the upside, and then you have this candle. So I'm anticipating, based on structure and based on candlestick pattern and all of that, there is a potential sell-off to the downside. It can be a short-term sell-off. So let's just say right in this area right here. If you're trading off of the monthly time frame, of course you want to wait for some type of confirmation. But for me, to be honest with y'all, if I was trading this market, this is all of the confirmation I need right now. This is all the confirmation I need right here. The same candle right here. After the strong, because you have to understand, there is a reason why the buyers decide to take their money out. Now, there's another thing that I see happening within a particular area, but I won't talk about that in this video. The reason why I'm thinking that the market could potentially go down, but be that as it may, I'm looking at structure off the monthly time frame. So you got to watch this area in particular. You got to watch this area, y'all. Watch this area, okay? Watch this area. Now, off the monthly, this is the next level of support. This is the 226466 level, right? So because you have multiple touches, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. This is historically a strong, potentially support level. So now you have a past resistance level, historically speaking. See, 1, 2, 3. Past resistance level, potentially now to become future support. All right, but I'm anticipating the market to drop right here. So you may have a bullish continuation to the upside because this is a lot of buying power here. But of course, the market will not just go up, up, up and don't stop. There has to be elements of retracement, and that's a healthy market. A healthy market is a market that's going up and down while it's going in its trajectory. Because then, of course, buyers buy the pullback and sellers sell the pullback, you know what I'm saying, for trend continuation. You know? But this is very powerful here, y'all. This right here is very, very powerful. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to go on the weekly time frame, see what is happening on the weekly. You see what happened on the weekly? I hope you all see what happened on the weekly. Y'all see this bearish engulfing candle? It actually, this is a very, 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 very strong push to the downside. And this bearish engulfing candle actually engulfed these three. So all of this right here is a week's collection of price data, right? You got this bearish candle that engulfs these three weeks right here. And it happened at the area of resistance. This would have been a good trade to get into from last week, actually. You know what I'm saying? But based off of the setup alone, I perceive that the market may come down. So you see this candle trying to push up? Yeah, it's pushing up. But then you may have a fall to the downside. Alright? This is powerful here though, guys. That's what I'm saying. You gotta watch this. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame. So, now let me scale out. Alright. So now you have, now you have this area of consolidation. You see this area of consolidation? This is an area, you know what? I need, hold on. Yeah, okay. I guess. Yeah, probably. I'll do it like that. This is an area of consolidation. You see now there's a struggle between buyers and sellers. Buyers want to push the market up. Sellers want to push the market down. This is normal, guys. This is normal when you would have this type of situation happening. Buyers and sellers struggling for supremacy in the market. I tell you one thing though. If you see price breaks out to the downside, right? If you see price breaks out to the downside, I want you to believe. Hold on. Boy. Yeah, if price breaks out to the downside, you know, let me go back. Let me make it bigger. If price breaks out to the downside, the market will fall. Alright? It will fall. Now, of course, you got persons who trade like that too, you know. They trade breakouts from consolidation areas. You got persons who trade like that. Some persons believe in trading within consolidation as well. Because you could catch good setups within consolidations. Because you could trade support and resistance in consolidations too, you know. But this is a choppy market in terms of daily. Now, of course, the smaller time frames, they're having a field day. People trading the smaller time frames like the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, they're having a field day. But the higher time frame traders, they're just waiting to see. Wonder if the price is going to break out to the downside. And of course, they wait patiently to see a strong bearish push or something, you know. But I anticipate this market could potentially go down short term and maybe continue long, you know. I see that potentially happening. Because if you look at the overall market, if you look at the, oh man, that's way too bad for y'all right there. Oh man, I gotta do this. Take this off. I don't know. I'm trying to give you all a better view, man. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Anyway, all I can tell you all, all I'm going to tell you guys, right? The market is going potentially down. Yes, potentially going down. Potentially, in my humble opinion. But of course, you would want to wait for some type of confirmation. Right now, there isn't any confirmation. If you're trading, right, okay, good. If you're trading off of the daily, there is no confirmation. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Now, if the market pushes up here, within the consolidation, and you see some type of strong price action, that might be a chance for you to get in and probably hold. But I would say, with this particular situation here, it's very, very tricky. So you gotta watch this consolidated area. But I see a potential sell to the downside. Now, of course, if the market pushes up past this area of consolidation, what I would do, and this is just what I would do, because of course structure has to be tested, or a healthy market will test structure. I would wait for the market. I'll wait for a break and retest. That's what I would do. Just to confirm the move, rather than taking the buy, the strong, when you take the breakout, you might have the market break out, but then go right back into structure and go the next way. So if the market breaks out bullish, I would wait for a break and retest. Now, if the market doesn't give you a retest and it continues up, well, I would say you just missed the bus and you gotta try another currency pair or go somewhere else. But I wouldn't just take the breakout. I would wait for the retest just to confirm the move. All right, guys, and the same thing for the sell. If it breaks this area of consolidation, I'm gonna wait for a break. Of course, the break of structure, which is this here. All this is structure here. I'll wait for the break of structure, so the market pushes down strong. I'll wait for some type of pullback, right? And then some confirmation within the pullback. And then I will continue in the selling position. Alright, guys. So that's my analysis on the USD Mexican peso. Have a great day, guys. Take care.